With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so let's read the question. Repetitive regeneration is found in. Okay, so basically they are asking in which of the following organism repetitive regeneration is found. Option A tadpole, option B mollusk, option C Hydra, and option D human beings. Okay, so before that first we have to understand what is repetitive regeneration. Okay, so it's basically a process of renewal, restoration and growth. Okay, so it's the process of renewal, restoration and growth. All these processes together are basically known as the repetitive regeneration. Okay, and this lead to the formation of different type of genome. This lead to the formation of new cells and organisms and ecosystem as well. So this particular process is known as the repetitive regeneration. It's a very important process. Okay, and basically when we talk about in tadpole, mollusk and human beings, this process is not observed, this repetitive regeneration. When we talk about human beings, they have very less regenerative capacity. Okay, they have a very less regenerative capacity. They does not have a very high regenerative capacity. Okay, but when we talk about Hydra here, Hydra is the organism in which the process of foot regeneration is commonly observed multiple times. Okay, and this foot basically arises from the basal part of the body. Okay, so it arises from the basal part of the body, and there is another process which is known as the head regeneration. So there is foot regeneration, and along with that there is head regeneration, and the head regeneration process occurs from the apical region of the body or apical part of the body. Okay, so basically this complex regeneration or reconstruction process commonly observed in Hydra, not in any other organism. So option C is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.